ตอนนี้นะครับเรามาถึงโรงไวน์นะครับจะมีต้นอันนี้มันต้นส้มเปล่าWaterford Estate นะครับ Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's open?
Yeah, you're very well.
Where is the restaurant?
Sorry?
Restaurant.
Sorry?
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Yeah.
Restaurant.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we do just wine here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if you need a toilet, though, so the toilet's just to the right. But yeah, you can take a walk around.
Yeah.
And when you're comfortable, take a seat. You can sit inside or outside. And yeah, if you want to take some wine, you're more than welcome to.
Yes, I'm driving.
Oh,
Can I buy
yes.
buy Quebec?
Yes, you're more than welcome to buy some wine. Yeah.
Okay.
So we just do wine here. If you are looking for food, there's a restaurant just down the road. You know Dornier. You pass the sign Dornier.
Oh.
It's our neighbours. It's opposite us.
Where it to show you your shop, wine shop.
Our shop.
Yeah.
Come here.
Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, really beautiful.
Then it's at the...
You have the small one?
Yes, yeah, we do. We have small bottles, big bottles. The small bottles we have is a sweet wine. Okay, so this is our wine list. Our wines are also...
อันนี้เป็นโรงไวน์นะครับผมโอ้โหไวน์โคตรเยอะโรงไวน์ที่เซาท์แอฟริกานะครับNice. Sweet map. Yeah, nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Too big.
Big.
Wow, smell good.
Yeah, it's not the wine.
Yeah. It's a.
All wine in here, yeah.
Oh.
This is where we actually make the wine.
Yeah.
We ferment the grapes, the grape juice in here. This is our red wine.
Oh, this. Oh.
See the color? It's red.
Yeah. It's all is white.
12,000.
I can eat all year.
So you come here and you stand. So you know stomping on the grapes there?
Okay.
You know stomping on the grape?
No.
Check that's our machine. Yeah.
It's
That does the pressing of the juice for it. That presses the grapes for it. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah.
Good man, good. Hey, working hard, yeah? Oh yeah?
Can you take picture for me? Yeah. Thank you.
One more, yeah.
Wow. Oh, too beautiful. Yeah, too much.
Stand a little more back in the light. Stop.
Stop. Oh, okay. Okay, wait.
Need a good light.
Wow, thank you very much. Very beautiful.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, very beautiful.
Even your country, Thailand, is a beautiful place.
Ah, yeah, thank you.
That's good. Yeah, so
Wow.
one of these barrels, you can get about 300 bottles of wine
300,
from one barrel itself. Yeah. These barrels are from France. Just making wine. All are red.
Wow, smell good. This red or white.
These are all red. All of
Oh,
these
yeah.
are red, yeah.
Smell really good.
We call this
I want to sleep here.
Yeah. More like go to church here. Cathedral.
Oh. Ah, I want to try, but I'm dry.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Gotta keep responsible.
Yeah.
See if we can go out there.
Ah,
Got it all on camera.
wow.
Got it all on camera, eh?
Yeah.
See, this is the one you're gonna take home to Thailand.
They're too big.
In your backpack.
Oh.
You can take one of these as a souvenir. If you want, you can take this if you like.
Wow, thank
It's a
you.
souvenir. It's a cork.
Oh.
Good, eh?
โอเค
Yeah.
ด้านหน้านะครับผม จะเดินสักรอบหนึ่งอ๋อเป็นต้นไม้แบบติดเลยนะ